Tune.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Nicole here from my Pandora Charmed Life. In today's video, we're going to do a preview of what OHM will be releasing for December. So most of these items are going to be released on November 27th. I believe there's one that's a little bit later, so I'll make sure to notate that throughout the video. But I'm so excited to see this release. We also have an announcement about the bead of the month, so stay tuned for that in this video, and let's check out what OHM will be releasing for December. Alright, let's go ahead and get started unboxing this box to see what OHM has in store for us for December. Alright, so here is our box. We have the sheet of the little postcard that tells you what is coming in December. I am so excited to see what's in this box, you guys. They have so many good things to end the year. What do we have here? Where do we go? Oh my gosh, you guys, there's so many different ones. Let's start with what's in here. Open this box. They have, I love these boxes that have the little cutouts in there so they could put multiple beads in here. And let's just take a look at what these are. Oh, okay, I'm gonna put these this way so we can get a better look. OHM has a slim collection that they are their glass beads, but they are smaller in width, and these must be them. Let me get them on a stick so you could see them up close. These are so awesome, you guys. They're the same shape as the normal glass beads. They're just smaller. I think this will be so fun to design with, and when you get a close-up look at these, they all have like lines, like white lines through it, or this one in this case has that blue tint through it, and it's just like a little haze going through these beads. Very pretty. I've never had these slim ones, and now I need to go look at what other slim ones they have. Next up, we have more glass beads. Oh my gosh, you guys, there's so many glass beads in here. I don't even know where to start. Okay, let's just take them out one at a time. How about that? This glass bead has like a black core with some white specks in there, but then you have like bigger flakes of gold. And this one is called Sky Gild. If I get any of these names wrong, I'll correct it in the text, because this is my first time seeing them in person. This is really beautiful. Oh my goodness. This is so pretty. I don't even know how to explain what's going on with this bead. You have like crackle in there, but then your core is like different colors as well. This one is Spark of Life. This one is, I believe, called Released Tension. In this one, while the other ones had like the design on the core, this one has like this gray streams. Looks like they're like actually painted on the glass. This bead is called NOUVEAU. I really like the half and half colors, right? Part of it's black, part of it's white, and then within it you have some sparkly, like gold, like sparkles in there. You see, it's so many glass beads in this release, and they're all so beautiful. This one is Fogberry, so you've got a whitish grayish tone bead here, and then it has little tiny indentions in the glass, similar to I have a blackberry one. It's similar to that. Actually, this would go really good with the blackberry beads. And here we have a white one that the core is white, and then you have again some like white, like it's painted white as well. This one I believe is called, I'm trying to look for the name. I want to say it's called Milky. Yeah, it's called Milky. All of their glass beads are just really, really gorgeous. I love their glass beads. I'm so glad I started collecting them. Okay, then last but not least, on this one we have Pressure Point, which is again gray based. A lot of these are going to go really well together because they're like complement each other in color, so I can't wait to do a design video for you guys. But this one has tiny little points going around the bead, which is fitting for it being called Pressure Point. Let's see what's in this one. Oh, here we have a cute little snowman, perfect for Christmas coming up. Oh my gosh, you guys. I just looked at the back and this little snowman has wings. Oh my goodness. You are so awesome with your winged snowman. Does a lot of like wing work on a lot of their beads, and it just adds like an extra element when they do that. And who would have ever thought of putting wings on a snowman? Let's see, he is officially called Snow Angel. Oh my gosh. Okay, they also like do really awesome play on words. What a cutie! This one is coming in red packaging, and it's got a little gold emblem embossed in there. Oh, it's fitting to be this color because this one is a rat, and this one is to represent the year of the rat, which is going to be 2020. So he is year of the rat, and look at him holding his tail. Okay, guys, my first like instinct with this one is that he reminds me of the little rat on Charlotte's Web. I don't know if this is intentional, but it looks like there's a little star in his butt. Or his bottom, I should say. Here we have a close-up look at Year of the Rat. Okay guys, so this one right here is going to be called Stronghold. This is, I can tell because it says it right here. I didn't cheat. This one is part of their OHMistry project. I'm going to insert the name of the person they worked with to create this bead and bring it to life. It's Elena, but I don't want to butcher her last name, so I'll enter that here. This one has a separate release date on December 6th at 9 p.m. Moscow time. So let's take a look at Stronghold. This one is going to be a special limited edition. And they only made 111 of these ones. Stronghold, when we open this. Okay, it's going to be very similar to, if you guys have seen my Emerald City, that you could put a glass bead in here and wear as a pendant with the drop necklace. That is what this one is. And this is, I need to look up, it looks kind of like a castle of some sort, but I'll need to do research on what exactly this Stronghold is representing. It's really gorgeous, like the brick design in the inside. You guys see that? And this reminds me of like going up a lot of stairs. OHM has announced that they are going to put a pause on the beads of the month, also known as the bottom. This is like bottom number 55, and they want to focus in 2020 on other projects, right? Such as the OHMistry project, which we just saw, where they get to work with, you know, ohmies around the world to create something that everybody can enjoy. So while they do that, they are going to stop doing the bottoms. Whether that's a permanent stop or a pause is yet to be determined. So this is going to be the last bead of the month, which again makes me, I have mixed emotions about it because I love their beads of the month, but gosh, I'm having such a hard time opening this. But I'm so excited with what they're gonna do, right? With all that extra creative time that they're gonna have. Oh my gosh. The packaging. Oh, the packaging, you guys. Oh my goodness. This little pig with some, I don't know if the gold foil's on purpose, but it's there. Little OHM symbol on the butt. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm a little bit emotional because, look. I just love what they do with all this stuff, and I can't believe it's coming to an end. I think I'm supposed to pull on this to open it. Oh no, are we not going to be able to pull on it to open it? Oh no, we may have to take a moment to pause. I don't want to like break him. 1 second. Okay, hold on. Before we do that, let's take a look at the bottomless here. Pretty sure he's probably a pig wearing no bottom. And I'm bottomless, get it? Bead of the month list, no longer doing it. Okay, I need to figure out how to open this little guy. Okay, well, alright, I got it. I had to tug really, really hard at this thing. Then it's shoved in here. Is this? I feel like this is like a moment, you guys. Yeah. Oh my gosh. He is wearing bottoms. It's just his tail's hanging out, kind of. Here is your close-up look at Bottomless. Bottom number 55. His outfit or pajamas or whatever it is are swirlies that kind of remind me of little OHM symbols. It's got a little plumber problem going on there too. Oh, OHM beads. He's adorable. Good way to end the year because it was the year of the pig, and good way to end, you know, the current bottom series. So there you have a little preview as to what will be coming with OHM beads. And what do you think about this packaging for Bottomless, the last bead of the month for now? Who knows if they'll bring it back. One of the things I really loved about Bead of the Month is like how thoughtful their packaging was. So I'm kind of sad to see that go, but I'm so excited to see what OHM does with the OHMistry project. So yeah, time for new creations. But let me know what you think of this preview. Stay tuned for a how I designed with some of these beads preview. I'm really excited to start playing with the slim glass beads. I hadn't had any of those, and I really like the size of them, and the colors are really awesome. So more to come on that. Anyway, again, all the information about those beads are in my description below, so go ahead and take a look there. Thank you all so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. We would love to have you. Thank you all for watching. See you all next time.